Are you looking for the best fire pits for patios in your budget? In today's video, we break down the top 5 best fire pits for patios. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Tiki Smokeless Fire Pit. Combine aesthetics with quality design, and you'll get the Tiki Social Smokeless Fire Pit. Our tester found it produced a fire with a consistent radius of around 6 feet, and once the fire got going, it produced virtually no smoke, although expect some smoke as the flame builds. It also has built-in handles, which is a nice touch for those who want to move it around their backyard. Comparable to the solo stove models, this one has fewer accessories but functions almost exactly the same, with a smokeless output and a removable ash pit as a base. However, this one will likely be preferred by those who want an elevated design rather than something they can take camping, as it's more stylish and sleek than any other model on this list. The Tiki Social comes with a weather-resistant cover, but it doesn't come with a carrying case or a lid to help snuff the fire. And while the matte exterior is nice to look at, it's prone to smudging with regular use. Moving on at number 4, we have the BioLite Fire Pit Plus. A tech-forward fire pit? That's what piqued our interest when it came to the BioLite Fire Pit Plus, but its performance is why it made this list. This fire pit comes with an integrated USB fan that helps stoke the flames, which can keep the fire going, and it only needs to be recharged every 30 hours of use. The fan, which can be controlled by an app, also works as a power bank that can charge phones and other devices. Our tester noted that a fire is easy to start with some twigs and firewood and that it produces a nice flame that heats 3 feet around the pit's circumference. Wind was also not a deterrent, as the fan really did work to maintain the strength of the flames. Although this fire pit is advertised as smokeless, it did produce more smoke and ash than other options on this list, which makes the lack of a removable ash pan a bit of a deterrent. And considering its price, it should come with a cover or carrying bag. At number 3, we have the Outland Living Deluxe Fire Pit. The Outland Living Fire Bowl is a portable fire pit that uses a propane tank, allowing for easy fire output and maintenance wherever you are. Our tester called this fire pit amazing, and reported that it produced an intense fire that kept their family warm. It was easy to adjust the flame level with the valve knob, and its smokeless design allowed for instant fire that also produced no ash. It also came with a wealth of accessories, including a carrying case, a hose, and natural lava rocks for that flickering fire effect. Plus, it has a conversion kit available for purchase should you want to convert it to a natural gas fire pit. It may not be as sleek or stylish as some of our other options on the list, but that's likely not to be a concern for those who want to use it for travel. However, its biggest flaw has to do with the portability. The fire pit could benefit from handles, as you need to wait until it cools entirely before you can move it. At number 2, we have the Solo Stove Bonfire 2.0. While all of the fire pits on our list performed impressively well during testing, the Solo Stove Bonfire 2.0 received an almost perfect score across the board. We loved that this fire pit was easy to assemble and create a fire. Getting started took less than 5 minutes, and a fire was quickly built with nothing but a lighter and sticks gathered around the yard. Cleanup was even easier, thanks to a removable ash pan. While no fire pit can be completely smokeless, we only saw visible smoke at the very beginning. Our tester also reported that the Bonfire 2.0 created a more powerful fire with less wood, which consistently burned at a 3-foot radius. It even kept bugs away. The biggest consideration that comes with buying a solo stove is how high the fire burns. When new wood is added, it can create intense flames, so those with small kids or pets should keep a close eye. It's also pricier than some of our other picks, but because its sleek design really does prevent smoke, it's a great investment for those looking for a fire pit that can be both stationary or portable. Finally at number 1, we have the Blue Sky Outdoor Living Ridge Portable Fire Pit. Our tester liked the Blue Sky Fire Pit so much that 2 of their family members own one now, but it tops our list because of its even heat, smokeless fire, and low price. It also produces a low amount of ash, and at just under 15 pounds, it's conveniently portable, too. The steel construction protects against the elements, and once a fire starts, it'll warm the area up to 5 feet around its circumference. While our top pick, the Solo Stove Bonfire 2.0, has a more impressive stainless steel construction in comparison to Blue Sky's powder-coated steel, it weighs a lot less. After a few uses, the paint on the inside of the pit began to blister. Our tester also found that although it comes with a carrying bag, it's a tight squeeze and needs some maneuvering to fit inside. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.